Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand how to integrate Figma MCP with OpenCode. Before we are going to start, let's check some points. Access Figma files, frames, components, and styles. Extract design token and search and query for Figma content. Use design directly to OpenCode AI chats and build user interface faster with accurate content. Let's see the step-by-step guide for today's video. Step 1. Create Figma access token. Go to your Figma account setting and click security, then go to personal access token and select create new token. Copy the token, then give it a name like OpenCode MCP or anything. Step 2. Install Figma MCP server. Make sure you have Node.js and 18 plus installed. This install the official Figma MCP server. Next we have start Figma MCP server. Replace your token with your Figma access token. Keep the terminal running. Moving to the next point, step 4. Get your Figma files. Open your Figma files URL. The part after files is your file key. You will use this open code in your browser. Next we have add MCP server in OpenCode. Go to OpenCode settings, then select MCP server and click on add server. Then step 6, configure Figma MCP in OpenCode. Here you can simply see here are the name, URL and authorized bearer. Now let's move to the next step, step 7, connect and verify. Simply click on connect. You should see connected with available tools. And last we have use Figma in OpenChat. Start asking OpenCode about your Figma design and topics. You can also check the troubleshooting and example prompt to try common use cases and best practice. For additional information, future reference, and helpful guidance, you can also check out some links given in the image. And if your problem not sort out and not connected, you can simply go to their official website for more customer support and help. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.